Yeah, good evening children. Welcome back to our class of SAT Math, and as well this is the last class for syllabus completion, and then onwards only revision. So we are going to launch our final attack on reaching our goal of 800. So that's going to start from tomorrow. So children, let's finish today's topic, then let's go for our revision program where we want to be interactive and do something different. Okay, let's start with this. So a drum contains 3 to 5 jars, each of which contains 30 to 40 marbles. If 10% of the marbles are flawed, what is the greatest possible number of flawed marbles in the drum? So look at this. There is at most 5 jars each. Drums contains 3 to 5 jars. 3 to 5 jars means maximum are 5 jars. Maximum means at most. Maximum means at most. That's what we stated here. At most 5 jars. Okay. Each of which contains at most 40. See, here you see 30 to 40 means maximum are 40 marbles. In 3 to 5 jars it is 40 marbles at most. Okay. By the fundamental counting principles, there is at most 5 into 40, that is 200 maximum. Maximum 200 marbles in the drum. Since 10% of the marbles are flawed, there is at most 10 by 100 of 200 is 20. At most 20 marbles, that is 10%, are flawed marbles. So what is that answer you have? Option D, right? Please note it fast, quick. Right children, let us go to the next question. Look at this. In a legislative body of 200 people, the number of Democrats is 50 less than 4 times the number of Republicans. So let us call Republicans as X. So Democrats are what? 4 times Republicans, 4x, and 50 less means minus 50. If 1/5 of the legislators, so 1/5 of legislators means R plus Democrats, are neither Republicans nor Democrats. So neither of these two. So total legislators we call it as L. So not R plus D. This is legislators are neither this one L minus of R plus D. Okay. How many of the legislators are Republicans? So legislative body consists of 200 people, means L is 200. So 1/5 of legislators is 200, equal 200 minus of x plus 4x minus 50. Okay. So now this is 5 means 40 equal to 200 minus 5x plus 50. Minus 5x to the left, it becomes plus 5x. 250 minus 40 is 210. So that is x equal to by 5. So 4 2s 42. So therefore 42 legislators are this one, none of them, okay, are Republicans, sorry. What is that he asked? How many legislators are Republicans? Means 42A. Okay, please note it fast. Okay, this is the answer. So anyway, this we have done it there. So please note it fast, quick. Okay, so let us go to the next question. This is over. Now look at this. Speed bumps are being placed at 20-foot intervals along the road of 1015 feet long. If the first speed bump is placed at one end of the road, so this is one end of the road, there is one speed bump. It is moving. So from here to here it is 1015 feet long. So first speed bump to second speed bump to third speed bump. So common difference we call. Common difference is 20 feet. Okay, common difference is 20 feet. A initial is at 0 feet. A is at 0 feet. How many speed bumps are needed? So let us call it as Tn. Tn. So 1000 is the multiple of 20. So that means divided by 20 you take, you will get number of speed bumps, right? So that is 50. 50 speed bumps are required. So look at this, option B you have. Please note it fast. So if you take 1015, it is 50.75, but below that it is only 50 children. Okay, please note it fast, quick. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. A rancher is constructing a fence by stringing wire between posts 20 feet apart. If the fence is 400 feet long, how many posts must be needed? So simple, no? 400 by 20, that is 20. Okay, please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, so let us go to the next question. How it is 21 posts? A rancher is constructing a fence by stringing wires between. Yeah. So children, this is 20 posts plus 1 is the beginning one, no? So 21. So this is option D. Okay. So let's go to the next one. The number of marbles in X jar contains in X jars, each containing 50 marbles. So plus the number of marbles in 3X jars. The number of marbles in X jars, the number of marbles in X jars, each containing 15 marbles, plus the number of marbles in 3X jars. So what is that you will get? So number of marbles in X jars, each containing 15 means 15x are the marbles in that, plus what is that he said, the number of marbles in 3x jars. So 3x into what is that we are getting, x jars will have 15x marbles and 3x jars will have 3x into 20 marbles. Yeah, he gave 20 marbles, no? So total marbles are 15x plus 20 into 3x, okay, 20 into 3x. So what is this? You'll get 15x plus 60x. So that is equal to 75x. So which option you have? Option C. Please note it fast, quick. Okay children, so let us go to the next question. The number of integers from 2 to 10 power 3, number of integers from 2 to 10 power 3 inclusive of those numbers. 10 power 3 is 1000. So integers means only 1 is deleted out of 1000, you delete 1, 2 is started with. So 999 are the integers. So option is C. Please note it fast children. Okay children, so let us go to next page. So okay children, so let us move to the next question. In a small town, 16 people own Fords and 11 people own Toyotas. If exactly 15 people own only one of the two types of cars, how many people own both types of cars? So this is set theory type, okay. This is Fords and this is Toyotas. Number of people that own this one are 16, so let us call this as X. This is 16 minus X and Toyota is 11 minus X. So now only one of the two, 15 people, so sum of these two, this plus this is 15 he gave, 16 minus X plus 11 minus X equal to 15. So 2X equal to 12, X equal to 6. So how many people own both the cars? Means 6. Please note it fast, quick. Okay children, so let us move to the next question. So look at this. Out of 5 roses in different colors, Joy picked 3 of them randomly to prepare a bouquet of 3 flowers. Out of 5 roses in different colors, Jay picked 3 of them randomly to prepare a bouquet of 3 flowers. How many different kinds of bouquet can we have? So that means out of 5, we are selecting 3 at a time. So 5 see 3 ways we can select them. So this is 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So NCR is what formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So that will be equal to this. Okay. So that is what 3 cancels 3, 2 cancels 4 2 times, 5 2 is 10 ways. So answer is 10. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. N is 5, C is 3. 3 means starting from highest value, we should take 3 numbers divided by this factorial. Okay, that is how you work on. Okay, so let us go to the next question. What is the maximum number of lines that can pass through 10 distinct points on a plane? So to draw a line, you need 2 points, right children? How many distinct points are there? 10. Out of 10, I need to select 2 at a time. So he did not state if there are any lines, except 2 points, there are no more points on the same straight line. So it is 10C2. So that is 10 into 9, 2 numbers by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So that is 45 lines. So option B. Option B. Please note it fast, quick. If he says 3 points are on the line, then I would have subtracted minus 3C2. If he says 5 points are on the same line, I would have subtracted minus 5C2, like that. Okay. But he did not state anywhere how many points, more than 2 points he did not state they are on the same line. So there should be maximum number of lines, that is 10C2. Okay. So let us go to next question. Mary wants to prepare her school project in 3 different colors. one of the background, comma one of the front color, and one for the figures. Background, one for font, and one for figures. So if she has 5 colors to choose from, how many different color arrangements can she have for her school project? Means out of 5 she need to pick 3 at a time. So 5 see 3 ways or not? That is 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 10 ways. If Mary wants to prepare her school project in 3 different colors, one for the background, one for the font, and one for the figures. If she has 5 colors to choose from, how many different ways? It is 5C3. Yeah. Is it repeated numbers or distinct numbers, or can the colors be repeated? That you should check, no? Based on that, we need to see whether it is, arrangements, children. Yeah, children, now look at this. See, in the previous case, the colors were not allowed to be repeated. When the colors will not be allowed to repeat, then it is combinations. When repetition is allowed, if the colors can be same anywhere, then arrangements is said, no? Arrangements means that is permutation. So you'll get it as 5p3. So 5p3. So 5p3 is 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. So that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 23 60 ways. So option A satisfies, children. Please note it fast. So that is what is the thing. So please note it fast, quick. Arrangements means permutations. Otherwise, repetitions are not allowed. Colors, then it is combination. Okay, children, so let us go to the next question. In how many different ways 4 different objects can be displayed in a bookcase of 9 identical partitions as shown in the figure? So look at that. There are 9 identical boxes. In how many different ways 4 different objects can be displayed in that. So now 4 objects should be picked out of 9 every time, and let's label them as 1 to 4 or whatever it is. So it is nothing but there can be a repetition of the kind of books. It is not that non-repetition, so it should be permutations. So 9p4, 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial. So that is 9 factorial is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. By 9 minus 4 is 5 factorial. These two gets cancelled. So I can take it as 9 8s 72 into 42. So that is 3024. So which option you have? Option D. Please note it fast from here. Okay, so let us go to the next page. This is the final answer. Please note it fast, quick. So you need to copy this. Quick, children. Of course, all the theory you don't need to copy. Simply you say 9p4 because repetitions are allowed. It is permutation. Repetitions not allowed. It is combinations. So therefore, repetitions are allowed in the arrangement of books in the shelf. So therefore, it is permutation. So just take it. Arrangements means finished. It is permutations. Just see here. He has given the arrangements process. Okay. Let's go to the next question. This all is not required, simply this part is enough. Okay. Let's go to this. Suppose you are buying 2 shirts as presents for your twin sisters. There are 2 different models available, long sleeves and short sleeves. If you want to buy the same model for both, in how many different ways you can select your presents. So now if you look at this, this is one is long sleeves and other is short sleeves. Okay, well, whether we'll call it as long sleeves as L and short sleeves as S. Okay, so now you have to select both the people same. So both you can have long sleeves, long, or both you should have short sleeves. So how many ways you can do this? Only 2 ways. So you cannot buy one for long and other short, or short and long like this. These are not accepted. So only possibility is long and long or short and short. So this can be done in 2 ways, which is option B. Please note it fast, quick. Right, children. So let us go to the next question. In the example previous question, suppose there are 4 different colors available from long sleeves, long sleeve models, and 5 different colors for short sleeve models. If you want to buy the same model for both of your sisters, in how many ways, how many different ways you can pick your presents. Okay. So how many are 4 different colors of long sleeves and 5 different colors of short sleeves. So I am picking first a long sleeve 4C1 and again another long sleeve 3C1. Out of 1 cloth is gone, so 3 more clothes are left over. From that you select one, or you select 1 from short sleeves and 4 are left over. Again you select 1 more from that. So what happens? 4C1 is 4 into 3 plus 5C1 is 5 into 4. Okay. Both are long sleeves or both are short sleeves. Any other note that note that the way you pick your shirts not important as long as you pick both from the same model. What are the other things? If you want to buy the same model for both of your sisters, in how many different ways can you pick for both? Twins. Twins means it should be same, no? So this is twins means same size. It is assumed to be same. 4C2 or 5C2 means 2 shirts from the 4 shirts and 2 shirts from the 5 shirts. 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 or 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. So this is 6 plus 10. So that is 16 shirts. So option C. Okay. 2 shirts from 4 of this one, which is the long sleeves, or means plus 2 out of 5 of short sleeves. So 2 out of 5 is 5C 2 ways. So you got this as 16. So option C. Please note it fast, quick. Okay children, let us go to the next question. This is over. 3 families have a picnic. One family decided to bring either hamburger or hot dogs for all. The other family will bring either cheesecake or brownie or ice cream as a dessert for all. The third family will bring Coke or Pepsi or Sprite for all. How many different combinations of foods will there be at the picnic? So look at this. All 3 families' choices are independent. So no family will depend on the other of each other. So one family's choice does not affect the other's choice. Okay, that is very clear. First family has only 2 choices. What all are the 2 choices? Either hamburger or hot dogs. Only 2. Now the second family will have cheesecake or brownie or ice cream as dessert, and the third family have Coke, Pepsi, Sprite. So first family 2, second family 3, and third family also 3 choices you have. So first family has 2 choices, second family has 3 choices, and third family also has 3 choices. So the total number of ways that they can do is, first family can pick any of the 2 choices they have. Third family can pick any of the 3 choices they have, and third family also can pick any 3 choices they have. So total number of ways they can select is 18 ways. 18 ways. So that is option A. Right children? Please note it fast, quick. Right children, let us go to the next question. A, B, C are 3 points on the same line and D is a point outside this line. How many lines pass through at least 2 of these 4 points? So 3 points are these on same line, another 4th point is here. So how many lines pass through at least 2 of these 4 points? At least means minimum, either 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, like this children. So you can see one line, second line, third line, here this, how many lines like this you can pass, that all you should see. So now let's draw the 4 points and the 4 lines that are passing through them. So you see, fixing this as a 1, DA, DB, DC, those are the 3 lines. Apart from that, one line can pass through ABC. So how many total number of lines that could be drawn? So 4. So option is A. Please note it fast, quick. Okay children, so let us go to the next question. What is the minimum number of regions you can separate by 4 lines on a plane? What is the minimum number of regions you can separate by 4 lines on a plane? You see, region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4 and region 5. So how many regions can be separated using 4 lines? It is 5 regions. Okay, please note it fast, quick. So this is only when they are parallel. So now let us go for the next question. How many even pages are there between pages 30 and 550, including both the pages? So let us call it as 30, comma 32, comma 34 like this. These are even pages or not, and last is 550. So A is 30, common difference is 2, and Tn, nth page is 550. So Tn is A plus of n minus 1 into common difference is 550. So n minus 1 into 2 equal to 550 minus 30 is 520. So n minus 1 is 260, n equal to 261. So C, take it fast, quick. Okay children, let us go to the next question. In how many different ways can you go from A to B without visiting the same cell more than once? So look at this. So now one is I can go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what is that fifth path is? 1, 2, 3 is first one, 1, 4, 3 is second one, 1, 3, yeah, this is direct, 3. So each of these vertexes you should cross. So 1, 3. So one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, B, and 1, 2, this, and this, and 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So therefore the total number of ways that we can do is 5 different ways. So option is D. Right children? Please note the points. Of course here the path is given 1, 2, 3. This is the path. 1, 4, 3. This is the path. 1, 3. This is the path. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 4, and 3, and 1, 4, 2, 3, like this. Okay, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, those are the paths that are given. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let's go to next question. Starting with red, yellow, and blue, how many different colors can you get if every mixture of 2 or more original colors is another color? So we can mix either 2 or 3. Either we can mix 2 or 3. So starting with red, yellow, and blue, how many different colors can you get if every mixture has 2 or more colors? So that means you can pick 2 colors out of 3 colors, or 3 colors all at a time. So taking 2 of the 3 colors at a time, it is, or you can take 1 also. 2 or more is a mixture of 2 or more. So that means you can take 3C 2 ways plus 3C 3 ways. You are selecting 2 colors at a time. So out of 3 colors, we are selecting 2 at a time. So this can be done in 3C 2 ways. Or means plus 3C 3 ways. So 3C 2 means what? 3 plus 1 is 4. So even it should have been a different question. 1 or 2 or more colors. 1 or 2 or more colors. So if it is 1 or 2 or more colors, then we can get another 3. See, according to this explanation, if you take 1, so these are all single colors. Now 2 colors combination, then 3 colors combination. So the question should have been changed. So it is it is minimum of one or two, or all combinations are one color or two colors or three colors. So that should be the way it should be asked. So it is 3C1 plus 3C2 plus 3C3. 3C1 is also 3, 3C2 is also 3, and 3C3 is 1. So this is 7. So option A you have. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Okay. So let us go to next question. Mary wants to make a round trip between A and C. Between A and C. The road map is shown in the figure. One-way roads are indicated by one-sided arrows. In how many ways can Mary travel if she is allowed to pass through? Each plays only once in each direction. So you see, one way, this is one way, remaining all are two ways. So there is no such possibility. Okay. So from A to B, did you say between A and C? Yes. Mary wants to make a round trip between A and C. Between A and C means I can go from A to C or C to A, anywhere it's allowed. So they cannot go from C to B. They cannot go to C to E because again from E to A they cannot reach. So let us see how this can be done. So now there are 4 different ways of going from A to C and only 2 ways of for the return trip, means one way, one direction you have. So there are 4 different ways of going from A to C: ABC, ABDC, ABDC and AFC. And there are only 2 ways to return back. Around the clock means, around the trip means going from one end to the other and coming back. That is the thing. So 2 ways that are there for them to return back. So total number of possibilities are 4, going and coming. And means multiplication, coming is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 ways. So that is option B. Okay, children. So please note this fast, quick. Please note it fast. See, I think, children, this we will discuss here. You see, A to B, B to C, one route. A to E, A to F, F to C, 2 types. Then A to B, B to D, D to C, third. A to B, B to D, D to E, E to C, right? That is 4 ways from one to other. Coming back are what? They can only start from here to here, or they can start from here to here, only 2 ways. So that's why we are writing it as 4 into 2. Okay, that is 8. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. In the figure, each inscribed triangle corners are bisecting the outer triangle sides. All 3 triangles are equilateral. How many trapezoids are there in the figure? How many trapezoids are there in the figure? So now look at this. A parallelogram is a special type of trapezoid. Okay. So how there are 12 trapezoids? Now you look at this. AEFG, AEFD, AEFC. Okay, 2 opposite sides are parallel. Trapezoids means opposite sides are parallel and other 2 sides are not parallel, but sometimes even parallel ones can be treated as special trapezoids. So if you compare, wherever 4 things, I mean you find 4 things together forming a trapezoid, you pick them all, AEFC, AEFC. Then ED, starting with A you take A. So you look at this, fix A, AEFC. So from there to AD, FB, then AD, ADFB is over, then ADFB and ADFE parallelogram, right children? So fixing A first, we have done that. Now fix B. So you got 3. Fix B, or already B is included. So you can start with E. 1, 2, 2 are with E, because already with A, E is finished. Okay, next you fix with G. So G is here, internal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this. So next you take starting with D, and again leftover is J. So starting with D and starting with J, internal. So these are all the different things that are possible. So answer is C. How many are there? 12. So please note it fast. Quick. Okay children. Two crossing lines define a point. What is the maximum number of points defined by 4 lines? If 2 lines cross like this, you will get 1 point. Okay. So like that, 4 lines are there. You can see these are all the different ways, maximum number of points. To get maximum number of points, you should find them all intersecting at different points. So 3 triangles together will form a triangle. A 4th line should be sent in such a way that it will cut all the 3 lines. It will cut all the 3 lines. Now what are the points of intersections? You can find point 1, point 2, point 3 on this line, and on this line 2 points, point 1, point 2, and these 2 lines 1. So total number of points are how many you are getting? 6 points you are getting. So option D. Please note it fast, quick. Please note that fast. Right children, let us go to the next question. So look at this. 2 crossing lines define 4 angles. 2 crossing lines define 4 angles, means vertical opposites you will have, isn't it? What is the number of angles defined by 4 lines? So now look at this. See, 4 lines cross at maximum 6 points. See, 2 crossing lines means angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay, 4 angles are there. That's what he says, 4 angles. Okay. Now, just before we have seen 4 lines have how many points here? 6 points. 6 crossing points. So here 1 crossing point will give you 4 angles. So you have 6 crossing points as per the previous problem. So total number will be 4 for 1 point, and there are 6 such points. 4 into 6, that is 24 points. That is option A. Please note it fast, quick. Right children, let us go to the next question. In a colored pencil box, there are 10 pencils in 10 different colors. how many different color combinations are available if you randomly pick one color. So, one color means what? 10C1, that is 10. Two colors, 10C2, that is 10 into 9 by 2, so that is 45. Okay. C, C, C is what? 3 colors, 10C3, 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. So 6, 3 times and 4 times, 4 3 is 12, 120. D, 4 colors, 10C4. 10C4 is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 2s are 8, it is cancelled, 3 cancels 3 times, 7 3 is 21 into 10 is 210. Next, E, 5 colors, 10C5As. 10C5 is also equal to 10C4 is 210. If you add these two, 9 you are getting. Okay. 10C5 is not equal to 10C4. 10C6 is equal to 10C4. That is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 2s are 8, cancel. 5 cancels 2 times. So, here you have 2. So, 4 2s are 8 is cancelled. 3 cancels 1 times and 3 times. So, what are things that are 7 6 42, 42 into 6. So, this is 6 2 is 12, 6 4 is 24, 25, 252. And F, what is F? And so on, children. You can calculate 10C6, that is also equal to 10C4, that is 210. G, 10C7, that is also equal to 10C3. If you add these two, you should get 10. 10C3, we got it as 120. H, 8, 10C8, and that is also equal to 10C2. So, 10C2, we got it as 45. I, 10C9 or 10C1, that is 10. And J is what? 10C10, that is 1. So, these are all the values that you will be getting. So, maximum number of ways. Like, assume that order in which you pick the colors is not important. Draw the graph of number of colors picked versus number of choices you have. So, he is asking you to draw the graph. So, anyway, this we are showing ABCD. So, answer is 10 because we are not considering the order of picking. So, it is 10 factorial by 1 factorial into 9 factorial A. This is all we have done, children, there. Okay. So, this is what is the thing. So, instead of doing it here, it is better you take that page 1 and you can answer it. Okay. So, please note this page. Yeah, this you copied, that is enough. Okay, children, I think you might have taken screenshot. There are 1 or 2 intelligent children in the group where they don't waste time of taking screenshots. So, anyway, I wish the time to be saved. So, please note it fast. I mean, take a screenshot so that you can remember them. Okay, children, we will have the next session started with revision. This is our last session of SAT mathematics. Let us start our revision and ensure that we reach our target. Thank you and have a great day. God bless you all.